Hello students, today I am going to tell you something in detail about your syllabus because in my previous videos I think the visibility of the board is not that clear, so I have used another mode. So basically your book that is of 9th class, that is level 1, consists of your 5 units. Fine, each unit consists of 4 sessions. As you can see on the screen, that your very first unit is introduction to retailing, that is basics. First session deals with your basics of retailing, then organized and unorganized retailing, then store and non-store retailing, then comes duties and responsibilities of cashier. Fine. Likewise, there are service cash point, that is your second unit, where we will study like there are different modes of payment. As you can see, like nowadays you are using mobile wallets, internet banking are there, Google Pay, like something like that. We can use different modes. Then debit cards, credit cards, cash payment, these are your different modes of payment. We will study all these sessions in details later on. Fine. Then session 2 deals with the procedures for handling cash. Then comes your third session, authorization of check, debit, credit card payment, and fourth session deals the problems that the cashiers are facing at the cash points. Then comes your unit third, that deals the customer order for goods. Fine. First session will be about processing customer orders for goods, then procuring supplies, then customer information, then invoices. Fine. Then comes your unit fourth, which is your process of payment. And as you can see, like session 1 is about effective process of payment, session 2 is sorting out pricing problems in payment process, then comes rights and duties and responsibilities in process of payment, and components of payment system in retail. Fine. Then comes your the last unit, customer service. First session is about customer needs, services, then about your effective customer services, then organization standards, then customer expectations. So these are your 5 units that you will be studying in your whole of your retail level 1, that is of 9th standard, and the name is cashier. Fine. Hope the syllabus is almost clear to you. So this is all about the syllabus. Fine. Thank you.